Hi, my name is John.
And my name is Braylon, and we're from Team 6168 based in Rolla, Missouri.
So today we are here to talk to you guys about Studica, a company based in Canada who makes parts for FTC. First, we're going to be talking about the history of where we're coming from. So 2 seasons ago, our team decided that we wanted to get more precise in auto, so we first reached out and got a Navex Micro Mini from Studica, and from there we started getting more of a relationship with them. And after that, we then won a wheel kit where we got to get more comfortable with their wheels. And then last season we bought their Mechanism wheels, and we started using those last season, which gave us an advantage in multiple different things. But to start off, we're going to be talking about their Stam bot, which gives you a baseline learning system in FTC. So to start off, their plates, they're very sturdy. They're built very well. They almost fit exactly with GoBuilda, but they're off just by a little bit, so you might have to file down your parts or anything like that if you want to get them to mesh correctly with GoBuilda. Their channels, what's very nice about them is they have these rubber covers that fit with all of their channels that blocks it off so nothing can get on the inside. It does help you learn a little bit if your school is one that goes from FTC to FRC, you get to learn a little bit about CAN wiring like FRC uses. But off that topic, their motors, they use bevel gears just like we do, and with the Mechanism wheels for basic things just like this robot. So it is a 2-motor Stam robot with follow wheels in the front with the Omni wheels. Now these Omni wheels, they come together, so you don't have to put them together. And then this Stam robot also, it comes with their own battery mount as well. So the whole baseline over Studica is that their parts are very sturdy. Yes, they're awesome because they're blue and they look very nice, but they do help you a lot with your robot, and they give you a lot of other opportunities instead of using some other things.
Mechanism wheels are nothing new to the sport of robotics, but the reason why we picked Studica wheels is because they have many advantages, such as they're more durable with lock nuts, and they have more resistance, which helps us during most games because most of the time you're trying to get a specific piece. And another part is that they are higher off the ground, which, for example, in last year's competition helped us lift our robot off the ground.
All right, and coming to an end, thank you guys for listening to our video. We are happy to answer any questions about implementing Studica into your guys' robots or into your day-to-day robotic life. And with this new water game season, we are hoping to see more blue on your guys' robots this season.